that the weather's going to be nice. We are beside ourselves for the first dad barbecue.
The first one is the best one. It's not about what it tastes like. Oh, she's so sweet.
Makes me a winner!
Close the lines at 3 p.m. We pick one number at random from everyone that's entered across all participating radio stations. So, now...
We are working on monitors and I feel the Radio 3 cupboard has been stripped bare to try to bring in a younger interactive audience, and the treasured programmes and presenters have got the chop.
The opening of Sir Michael Tippett's Concerto for Double String Orchestra.
Hotel. So, and this isn't even a joke, they don't work here anymore, so I can say it now. My boss at the time suggested I put high-vis on, fetch Lady Gaga from the hotel, and then stop the traffic by standing on the zebra crossing, waving Lady Gaga through like a lollipop lady. And I pointed out that the 200 or so fans would probably follow me.